podcast.
Hey guys, welcome to the Into Microwave Oven podcast. Here today are your host and hostesses. I forgot my name. Misty,
Kirann,
Juniper,
and Slater.
Here today we'll be talking about apparently our favorite Pixar film, or like the best one we think in our opinion, and why. Everyone around me is slowly dying.
I am actually dying from choking.
So basically, Pixar, if you've been living under a rock, is a studio that works on stories that will make you regret your life decisions. So it gives you existential crisis.
Especially my favorite one.
Yes. So Misty, what do you want?
Why don't you go ahead first?
I go first. My favorite personally is The Incredibles. I just like it. I like the power dynamic and how they tie in each family, like, quote unquote, role in the 1960s to be like their superpower. If you haven't seen it, you know? Like,
Was it 1960s?
How would
it
I not
took
have
place in the
seen it,
1960s.
though?
Like, whoever hasn't seen it, who's lived under a rock, it's basically about this family of superheroes that can't, like, tell people that they're superheroes because apparently they're too dangerous and, like, people go after them if they knew they had powers. But it's a widely accepted fact that they've existed in history. It's just they've gone underground because it's illegal. I like it. I just do. That's what it's about, really. They fight someone. You know, it's fun.
That's the
fight
reason
someone, it's fun.
why you like it is because they fight someone.
I like it more about, like, you know, the family dynamic, just the character development of each person and how they have to, like, mature quickly. I like the kind of views they have, like what they're trying to say with the movie. You know, like,
Does it reminds you of your family?
That
Fun
could be it.
band?
He is not.
Oh, I didn't say anything. That
What are you?
what's your
Sure, I
favorite?
guess it does.
Sexy mom with lots of girls.
The thick mom.
What was your favorite movie?
I do like it because it does kind of remind me of my family. I like that. Yeah, it does remind me of that. Cause
The
Sophie,
problematic middle child.
yeah, that would be Juniper. Yeah, that would
But
be
the
Juniper.
boy in there is not problematic though. You just have ADHD or something.
Yeah, that's
There's a lot of
Juniper.
energy.
That's Juniper. She has a lot of energy when she's awake.
So what does tell that about the younger brother?
It's more unpredictable, I guess. Like, you know, like Slater can be a little bit unpredictable, a little shy, I guess.
Just like the mother.
The mother dearest.
I only talk to people that I know I can make friends with.
Aw. I like Violet a lot. I like her power. It's cool.
Because she's the eldest.
Yeah.
What is such a school?
She's just boosting
I like
her
that we're doing this and she's like shopping over there.
Juniper just-
looking at Amazon. What should I get for Christmas? Because hey, I have money in my bank now.
No, because I got this like tiny tree, and I'm trying to find something I could put on the tiny tree as like a little decoration, because I like tiny trees.
Look, people like Pixar movies because it either gives them existential crisis or it made them feel something horrible. But I like this one because it gives me comfort. It makes me happy, and that's all that matters.
Wait, but which one is better for you? Number 1 or number 2?
Number 1, all the way. I love number 1 the best. I watched it the most.
Number 1 reminds me of The Rock.
The Rock? No, I'm not gonna ask. I'm not even gonna ask. Juniper, what about you?
Finding Nemo.
Why?
Because he's dumb.
No!
Don't touch the butt. Don't touch the butt. Right?
She's right.
I think.
I don't know wanted to hear. He touched the butt.
The butt.
You want water?
No, because we already have she's already like coughing a lot and she has more of this. Yes, a noise.
You don't know Baldi basics.
So why? What's Finding Nemo about? Tell the potential viewers.
Okay, I have to say. What is it?
Okay, so it's about...
Spoiler alert.
Of a movie that came out how long
Like,
ago?
I think
No,
it was, like,
you guys don't deserve a spoiler alert if you haven't watched this movie. You don't. I'm sorry. Like all these movies, other than I guess Slater's, like you don't deserve a spoiler
So
warning.
do I have to explain?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Just in case people forget.
So it's about this like a barracuda ate this guy's like.
You started with a very
Yeah, like
You're gonna go in depth.
the
Wait, I
barracuda.
don't remember that.
The barracuda ate Marlon's wife and children, and that's why there's only
Oh,
Nemo
the
left,
The beginning.
which is completely unfactual. And
This is why, just to make a point that
Oh my god.
this is why.
Juniper.
Oh yeah, I always rewatch these movies because I always forget.
Yeah,
it's
we
like
know.
completely unfactual, and
We don't care. Just tell the plot. Oh my
So,
gosh.
so then there's this only egg left. His name is Nemo, which means nobody in Latin. Why would he name his son that?
Go with the plot.
Okay, so Marlon, he's like this tired dad. So he's just like, oh yeah,
I don't think he's tired. I
he
think
is tired.
He's very
just
tired.
very
Traumatized.
scared of what goes to happen to his son.
Yeah,
Definitely tired though.
he's definitely traumatized.
He feels tired.
He's definitely traumatized.
He feels very tired. I
Traumatized.
showed
Nemo,
him the Kirby.
Nemo is like that stereotypical child thing where it's like all over the place. Yeah.
Like you.
I think that's any child.
Yeah,
really.
yeah, that's why I say it's stereotypical child.
Oh, right.
Just
Okay.
doesn't listen.
Like you.
Don't touch the butt.
Juniper. Don't touch
So,
the butt, Juniper.
Nemo. So Nemo was strictly
Put it like that. It's so bad. Stop. Can you not cough in the microphone?
By the way, if you couldn't tell, Juniper's sick. Just
Again.
again.
Stop. Save us.
Nemo was strictly told not to touch the boat, which everybody calls the bus because
Oh,
fun joke. But then he touches the butt.
He's laughing. He just get it now.
I didn't even know.
I didn't know. Are you crazy? No, touch the butt. It's the boat.
I didn't.
They're not in the same.
I thought the joke was that it was the butt of the boat, not like it sounded like
No,
boat.
it sounded like
I
It
didn't.
sounded like a boat, and since they didn't know what boat was, since they're
They call it
underwater,
a
they
butt.
call it a butt.
I thought there was one thing I didn't see before that he touched the butt of something.
So wait, so this how many years? 10, 15 years that you guys are watching this and didn't know that's what they mean.
Oh my god.
That's what they meant. Like,
Uncultured.
he's like, wait.
I haven't watched it so long.
Keep going. So Nemo gets kidnapped and put in this tank with a bunch of other weird fish people. One of them is like a starfish. I'm convinced is like half high.
Juniper, please just finish the It's a synopsis.
Alright.
She told us the whole story.
She's gonna tell everything.
But I love them.
Even the small details. No, she's gonna make it to the point that the turtles are in there. And
I
that's it.
know.
But then they're crucial.
She's gonna mention the fish that can make other like big images. I
So when your
swear.
teachers ask you to make a summary,
You're like,
how many pages is that? 3 pages.
Nemo gets separated from Marlin. Marlin meets this like short-term memory loss kidnapped again. Whoa, they get reunited and they all live in the same anemone in the end. The end.
Finding Nemo. Why do you like this movie? Why is it the best Pixar movie? Well, if you say it's because it's fish.
Really? Really?
Say fish and duck. Fish.
So just wait for it to be done coming.
Oh my gosh.
They have like really lovable like side
If you
characters.
say fish.
No, and like I love the idea that like the parent would do anything for their child.
Oh, I'm gonna say I love
Like,
that they're fish.
They'd go across the ocean. You find a child.
What do you expect? Oh, he's missing. Okay.
Replace child.
Let me go look for another child. Or fish.
What are we replacing children? But then like just your determination of like what?
Stop hitting the ruler.
Because you're making
You're
more noise
making
than
noise.
your mouth.
Now what am I supposed to think? I like the sheer determination that Marlon has, and like he's funny. He's like always tired. I love that.
That is always tired.
Yeah. No.
That sounds mean.
Like I like the dynamic duo of like Dory and Marlon, of like how she's like so happy and upbeat, and wait, do these movies have copyrighted codes? No, whatever.
I was talking
No,
about
it's the Pixar studio, not
Okay.
Disney.
You know, Marlon, he's like this tired father. He's like, okay, shut up now. And then Dory, she's like this peppy fish who's like, she doesn't stop talking.
Wow, like someone I know. Ow.
It's like, I like kids.
What? What?
No,
Where did that come from?
Nemo, like I like Nemo. He's a kid fish. And like,
So basically what you're saying.
I
Like
like
fish.
Nemo. I like fish.
You like Nemo because you like fish.
Because you like what?
I like the characters.
And what it represents.
Good
Yeah.
save. Good save. Slater.
No.
No? You're not gonna go?
It's my turn.
Yeah, it's your
Oh,
turn.
if you guys are hearing our dog, she's not being possessed, being killed. She's just being a brat.
She's
Because she wants to
being
come in the
mean.
room and we cannot let her go in the room because she's crazy. So for me, I love app. App or app? Both. Like a bat. Do not touch the bat.
Yo. I'll be back when you die.
Okay. Indulge. What is up about?
Okay, my summary is like this.
How long is this?
You
So
better
it
mention
started.
Kevin.
It starts with. So I think the story is about
You think?
because I really don't remember anymore because I have short-term memory. I just realized. No, I didn't just watch it recently.
You
It's been a
did!
while. When was that?
A couple months ago!
No, I didn't.
Yes, we did.
I want to talk about it.
Mom. That was after 2 months
We were in your room.
I don't know what you guys are talking about.
Even Dad would be like, yeah, we did.
So, yeah. You wanna tell the story?
No, go ahead.
I forgot.
What?
I told you. I should have done Dory. Short-term memory.
Why do you like this movie the best then?
Because I don't remember too. The story is about. Let me say what the story is about first. The story is about the old dude that just this old guy just wanna be alone, just
Like her dad.
grumpy, and like like he just want to be away, and then people are trying to get his house. That's the story, right?
Like Dad.
No, someone is trying to buy his house.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
he doesn't want to, and then he was like, because that's the house that he and his wife, the one that passed away recently, was living in for the longest time, and he just can't let go, and he's been miserable ever since she died.
Wow.
And I'm bringing in Kevin. Okay, so and then he thinks like that's the end of him. That he doesn't really want to go forward anymore. That he just wants to do this thing that his wife and him was wanted to do when she was still alive, and he can't do it because life and stuff. But yeah, it's just that. Wait, where am I?
Okay.
So it's like he hates people. Period. That's it. So there's this Boy Scout boy that keeps on annoying him because he wants more badges in his stuff.
Russell.
Whatever it is. What's his name?
Russell?
Oh, Russell. Oh, who's Kevin?
Kevin's the bird.
The what?
The bird.
Wait, who?
The big bird.
Oh, she's crazy. What was your brain?
Yeah, Juniper's crazy. I don't know.
I thought he's talking about the boy.
No, the boy's Russell.
So Russell, the boy. So I don't know who the dog is. Is this a quiz on what about the stuff?
You need to know the stuff to summarize it.
Anyway, so that's the story. So he
I feel like you're missing something.
He was saying the things that happened.
Yeah, so he created this thing wherein he puts a lot of balloon in his house. He was like tired of everybody and stuff, and then he was successful. He was able to put the whole house up in the air, ready to go. And then he realizes that Kevin, the Russell, the boy, was outside his house. So it's like it's a pain in the neck. He wants to go
And the
back.
neck.
The neck, because he can say the AFS.
Yeah.
So it's like but he had some problem with Kevin.
The bird.
Not the bridge. So,
The bird.
and that's it. Eventually, they were able to go back home because of that. What did I miss?
The old guy.
Who's the old guy?
His role model, the one that was flying planes and started looking for the extinct bird, which is Kevin, and that was his life
I
goal.
forgot. See, we need to watch this again.
Yeah,
We can watch it tomorrow.
We can watch it
Okay,
again.
great.
Why is this your favorite out of all the Pixar movies?
Why is it my favorite? Because it reminds me of my husband.
You're not wrong.
When you're dead, that's it. That's him,
No, please.
Like, that's him. You know it is.
No, because they have a preview on how hard life was, being together, and they don't have kids because they cannot have kids, and she stood by her even though she can't have any kids. And the life that they have together, I feel like it's the same life as my husband and I have.
Without kids. Without kids.
No, the struggle, the one that you cannot go on vacations because you don't really have enough money and stuff like that. And then but then they are the best of friends, and it's the same thing as me and your father. So it's like, oh yeah, I'm their moms.
Their moms, plural.
Because there's a lot of me. You just have to decide which one it is.
The angry one.
There's
The
the
happy one.
The crazy one.
The cursing one.
Thank you.
So I love this. I said it right.
Yeah, because of Dad.
And then no, it represents what it's like when you're growing old already. You're scared. What's gonna happen to you. And everybody kind of thinks when you're old already, that's the end of you because there's nothing else out there. But it just shows in here that you can still do more when you're a senior citizen, I guess.
Are you worried?
Yeah, I think everybody is worried that what's
Yeah.
gonna happen after you guys are all gone. You know, you have your own life in the future, and then it's just gonna be in your father. And then what if one of us die first? You know what's gonna happen? I mean, it's tragic, but you know, it is what it is. That's what really what happens. Hey,
You dropped everything.
everything.
You opened the door. Oh, is Luna coming in?
Yeah, so that's why I really like it because and this old guy, he was actually became an inspiration to this boy, and he realizes that person that he really looks up to before when he was younger is like really a douche, and it's like, you know, it's not everything that you think it's that person just because you look up to them is, you know, that's the real them. And then this boy just really look up to him, even though he's grumpy. He just accepted him for who he is, and he changes this boy's life. I hope. Let's see. That's the part. So, Kevin, yes, we did.
We did talk about Kevin.
I know, you
Like
like
a whole length of
chocolate.
it.
Just like
We're not here.
About dog.
The
Oh, that
dog.
Dog.
Yes, the dog.
His name is Dog.
We know his name.
Or
is
did you guys
Dog.
also forget that?
I like how our reason for liking the other two movies is.
Personal.
Yeah. No. I like how yours is very long and nice, but Mia's and Juniper's was just her liking fishes, and I was just like, yeah, I like the family dynamic. It's like
it
mine.
represents the family. It
But
represents
yeah.
what you want, or what your family's like.
I like superpowers.
I like the dynamic of the characters. It has
like
the
fish,
characters
too.
are high.
You also like
With Dory.
half the
Oh, just
characters
say it.
are high.
Yeah. Okay.
The turtles are not half the characters.
There's the turtles, and then there's the fish in the fish tank, and then the sharks are like a cult or something.
Yeah, okay. I can't argue with that. That
It
sounds
represents friendship as well in that.
Yeah.
And the
and
aquarium.
drugs.
Where is drugs in this movie? Playing the Pixar. What are you talking about?
And you see the turtles are like, oh yeah, we're like chill.
What if they're just chill?
Soifus.
Mom, I think they confirmed it before.
Like,
They're on fish weed.
No.
cow,
It's a fish with
seaweed.
seaweed.
I love seaweed.
But I love seaweed. What if a cat
Yeah.
kidnapped? Okay, Slater.
I like too. That was good.
You only like Up because it reminds you of your dad.
I like
Oh, my husband's still alive. I said it like it's like
He's not dead. He's asleep.
he's asleep. He doesn't want to do podcast, and I just want to try this because
Slater.
we're bored.
We interrupt the microwave oven to advertise our very first ad for Anchor. If you haven't heard about Anchor by Spotify, it's the easiest way to make a podcast with everything you need all in one place. Let me explain. Anchor has tools that allow you to record and edit your podcast right from your phone or computer. Super convenient, super awesome. When hosting on Anchor, you can distribute your podcast on listening platforms like Spotify, Apple Podcast, and more. It is everything you need to make a podcast in one place. And best of all, Anchor is totally free. So, download the Anchor app or go to anchor.fm to get started. Trust me, it's great. Yep, we use it on everything. Yeah. So, Slater, it's your turn. What's your favorite? This one has a spoiler warning, actually.
Yeah,
because it's a recent
very
one.
recent.
Yeah.
It's not that recent. It's 2020.
Oh,
Quiet.
no, that's still recent.
Yeah, I know, but then he said it's very recent.
Okay, my favorite one
It's very existential crisis, and it's called Soul. So the summary of the story is this guy is a professional piano player, and he wanted to join this thing. I think is it piano, not saxophone?
It's
It was
jazz.
piano. It was anything jazz, really, but I think it was more like piano.
Yeah, and then he wanted to join
You
this.
like jazz? I'm sorry. Hey, yo, stop violence.
Just stop.
So he wanted to join this like a jazz band, and then he said he got in. So he was so excited that he fell in the manhole and died.
With me.
Yeah, I was about to say, like it reminds me of your death. Reminds me of your prediction of death.
Yeah, go on.
So he died. He's in like this waiting stairs, going through like this light, this blue light, and then he breaks free somehow. I don't even know how. He's a magician. Woo! He breaks free, and then he goes
So
to.
how did he break free?
I don't remember.
I think he was just like pushing through.
Yeah, he kind of just fell, you know?
He kept running and fell.
Because he's dumb. It's okay.
So he went to this other place called Before Life. I think that's what it's called, right? Before birth. Before
Could
birth,
be.
where people have to get all of their
Oh,
personality.
I think it's called The Great Before.
Yeah, Great Before. There you go. Thank you.
The Great Before. Where you
Great
get...
Before. Whoa.
Okay, go on.
Okay, so the Great Before is a place where before you get born, so you get like all these personalities in these places where there's jazz, there's music.
Gosh, what did the Pick-Me Girls get? Never mind, go on.
Okay, so and then they thought this guy was a mentor. I really don't know his name anymore.
Joe.
Mama. Go on.
So I'm just gonna use Joe. So Joe,
His name is Joe.
His name is
oh,
Joe.
okay.
It is. We're not making a Joe Mama
It's
joke.
Joe Gardner.
Yeah.
Even though he's a piano.
Joe Gardner.
I like how he's a piano player, but his name's Gardner.
Go on.
Okay, so they thought he was a mentor. So he was supposed to mentor, like some of the newborns that doesn't have
Not-
personalities.
Not newborn.
Souls. There you go. So they had to help him. Help them get soul, like personalities, these souls. And then there's this one stubborn one that he got named 22.
That's good.
She thought she
Go on.
Okay. So 22 was a stubborn one. She never got any personalities or anything. But
I think she has plenty personality. I think it's the talent. I think I forgot this already.
what?
We have got to rewatch it.
You have to rewatch everything that we just said today.
Yeah, we do.
So she was very stubborn
Nemo.
and she really didn't like anything basically. But Joe
She didn't like anything what?
she didn't like any
Oh my
hobbies or
gosh.
stuff.
Hobbies or
okay.
talents or anything.
Found them
She
dumb.
didn't find any personalities for her.
No, she has a personality. It's the talent that she
Talent,
doesn't have,
talent.
or anything like your calling, whatever.
She found it stupid.
Okay.
Okay, go on.
So she didn't find any of her talents or any of like that hobbies. So but Joe really wanted to leave and be in time to
How's she think she's vomiting?
So Joe really wanted to be in time for their play with his jazz band. So he was trying to he's more focused on that than helping 22. And then they went to like this deep down place where like there's like these drunk
Drunk? What's wrong with you?
Drunk
They're
groovy.
hippies.
Drunk groovy.
Hoopy.
Drunk groovy.
They're not drunk, but they are hippies.
They're high
What's
in
the
life.
difference?
Oh my gosh.
Everyone likes
They're high, not drunk.
Groovy hippies.
Guru.
Very high groovy. Ah, you messed me up.
Go on.
Okay, so there are these people that are on this boat where all these people are concentrated in. So like, and there's also these walkers that got lost in
Dude,
their own
you're
way.
also going through the entire movie. The synopsis, bro. Synopsis. Slater. Sorry. Synopsis.
We cut this out
Summary.
anyway, so
Summary.
that's what it means. Okay, so they found a way to do it, but 22 also got in there, and then she was a cat, and then Joe was a cat, and then 22 had his body, and then so they had to go to the play anyways. 22 was very scared. What else? Pizza.
What? Unbelievable.
I remember this one scene that had pizza in it, so yeah. Okay, 22 helped the student, and then she realized she loved the music, and then she was exploring everywhere in this New York place, and then everyone thought that she was weird. So they had to go to I don't remember next.
Dude, it's a summary. Just say
Did
what
he came back from life? He did? Oh, then we need to 22
rewatch.
came back somehow. 22 came back from the the Great Before somehow. I forgot. But Joe went back to his body. Joe was concentrated. Blah blah blah. They were trying to find 22 and help her. She got her talents. She went to the world. She went to the world to be born, and Joe was able to go back to his body and go to his play. I think that's what happened. The end.
22 finally got to go to Earth because they found a reason for living. You totally forgot that, though.
I said that.
Did you?
I did.
Okay, why did you like this movie, bro?
First, it questioned my living, my life.
Question my living, my life.
Second, there's music.
Most of Pixar.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
I think you always come to the point of your life where you ask
Too
the
many
same
questions.
question. Third,
What's my purpose?
Third, his
talent?
I have none.
My
Up to
question
now.
is, what the hell? My question is, what the heck?
Third,
Why?
Third, his death reminded me Kiran's death prediction.
Oh, the falling down in the manhole
Yeah.
reminded you of me dying
Yeah,
one
exactly.
day.
Another reason is that it's very deep. It's very sad. I like sad movies because it makes me cry, obviously. And that's it. You like having to cry? I like laughing. That's why I like the comedy ones.
But you chose Up, where you cry in the first 5 minutes. The first 5 minutes destroyed your entire being. She was old.
It happened to- Why are you looking at me? Why are you
I'm
saying
talking to you. Because I'm talking to you. It's not a sin to talk. Soul, I think, was too much for my brain. You know?
Soul in one sentence is, what is the meaning of life?
Yeah, that was it.
That's the movie, right?
That was the movie. What is the meaning of life? It like
Any-
broke my brain.
Any
Yeah.
honorable mentions?
During pandemic, owie.
Yeah.
Any-
Honorable mentions, Inside Out.
Nobody chose Inside Out. That was my first choice.
Then why did
But
Why did
she
you
said she's gonna do it.
What?
No,
No, I
she
didn't.
did
I
not.
said I was
That made me cry.
they all made you cry, Mom?
all
Mom,
of them made you
Mom,
cry.
Pixar is the definition of crying.
Except Luca. Luca didn't make me
Luca,
cry.
yeah.
Luca was
Well,
supposed to make me
Luca
feel
made me cry.
happy.
Lucas made me cry.
Oh my gosh. What? Okay.
The ending.
What?
Luca means crazy, right? So it has to make you.
Mom.
Luca does not mean crazy in every language.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
It does.
That's a loca.
It's the same thing. A second honorable mention is Wally.
Wally.
No, you gotta say first why you like upside down.
Inside Out.
Inside out. But
I
the
like-
honorable mention.
I like Inside Out because they actually call out on like.
Toxic positivity.
Thank you. That was
Yeah.
good.
What's toxic positivity?
It's basically being like happy without any. It like the sudden, like you don't allow yourself to feel any other emotion other than just positivity. Like you see things in just a positive light. You don't let yourself be sad. You know, like you don't give yourself that kind of break, like that kind of stuff. Like because usually in movies they don't actually like call that out, but like that thing was like, oh hey, because I remember growing up like that. Like
I
I
didn't
wasn't
see it
allowed
that
to be
way.
sad. No, yeah, because she was just like not allowing sadness to do her
I
job.
was seeing it as
Depression.
everything's toxic. Whatever.
No,
Like,
no.
One thing happens and then another bad thing happens and then before you know it, that's it.
Well, I mean that is also part of like.
But you're
'cause
right.
Riley-
Yes.
yeah.
You have to feel sadness in able for you to be happy.
Exactly.
It's
That's
part of it.
that's the movie.
That's
I don't think there's enough like movies pointing that out though,
Also-
because I grew up thinking that you're supposed to always be happy, and I was like, why?
also who's your friend that likes to play Bing Bong, Bing Bong?
He's
Who
dead.
makes you shout hooray?
He's
Bing
dead.
Bong, Bing Bong.
He's
Is this copyrighted?
I don't know. He's dead. I mean, forgotten. I think that's worse than being dead. Being forgotten.
Oh man.
Coco.
Yeah. The
Oh,
those people in
All of those people that I know hates me now because I don't remember them.
Oh my
The
god.
movie
Well,
was-
I mean,
Dia
I
Los.
can't do anything because I don't remember you.
Dia de los Muertos.
Yeah.
The Coco is the one where he like.
Oh, Coco.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
Coco Puffs?
No.
Oh my
No,
god.
no, I don't know.
The one with the guitar.
Where
Music is banned.
Were
in his family.
these people were celebrating the Day of the Dead and then isn't that the one?
Yeah.
Coco. Yes.
Because you guys said going to that direction. That's
Because-
the one that I remember.
And if
You
they're
were-
forgotten,
They
Why,
fade
like,
away
yeah.
forever. Did you forget Coco too?
So he goes in the forgotten.
I guess it's time to watch every single Pixar movie ever made.
Your dad always says it's like you can never really be like because you always rewatch these movies. It's like
You'll
everything
never
is
be
just worth
bored,
it.
dude.
This $12 per month in Netflix and $9 per month in Disney Channel or whatever Disney Plus. It's worth it because I can just go back. Oh yeah, I remember that now. Oh yeah, I forgot.
Oh my gosh.
Well,
I like Toy Story.
Well, the reason why I like the second honorable mention Wally is because it's really accurate of how humans will be in the future. If this wait, what is this about?
It's about basically just destroying the Earth so much you go to space.
yes, you,
You
did.
did.
Mom.
Mom, we watched it.
Watch
This
it
is our
recently.
Watch it recently.
Yeah.
Well, if it's childhood, give me a break. I didn't even remember we watched.
We
up to
watched
months
it
ago.
like we watched this 3 months ago. There was
Maybe you guys did.
No, you were
watched
there.
with us.
we were eating pizza.
You even said, "Oh, hey, what about this show, guys? You want to watch this?"
We were
Okay,
eating
tell me to
pizza.
see those.
It's basically humans just destroyed the Earth so bad they lived in space, and the only thing left was just robot. And this robot basically has like found a way to get to space because of another robot, Eve. And it's just basically watching all the humans just rely on technology so much that they can't even do anything basic.
They can't
Um,
even stand up and touch their toes.
Eventually, by the end of it, they go back to Earth and like
definitely
figure out.
haven't watched it.
Yes, you have.
I'm gonna show you a picture and you're gonna be like,
I know what it is. I know. I've seen the proverb. I just don't remember watching it ever.
oh my gosh.
It really.
So it can't be an honorable mention because
Wally.
technically, if I'm not technically there, it's not.
I mean,
We watched it at least 8 times.
If I don't remember, it goes to the forgotten.
How do you forget watching a movie 8 times?
I didn't watch it.
Yes, you
Let's
did.
talk about Harry Potter, and then I'm gonna tell you.
I thought
Sleep Bomb. Wow.
all 60 million times. How do you do that?
It's not 60 million times.
it
it's
has
called-
got to be 60 million.
It's called
It's
a
only like
hyperbole.
59,999.9999.
Point
And if you call now, you may get another 50% off.
But
No,
wait,
wait,
there's
there's
more.
Yeah.
But another reason why I like Wally is because like it really puts people in a different perspective of how they see the world. And
I kind of seen it like that all the time. Like,
I think
yeah,
that's what's
we're
gonna be our
fricked.
future.
well, people
Yeah.
rely too much on technology.
I mean,
Like you.
like you. Of all the people in this family.
At least I'm
Later.
not very. Yeah.
we're all like silent.
You can't last a day without your phone.
I did before. I
we
lasted
should have
more
a
than a
game.
month. I lasted like around a month before.
And you had your computer screen
What's the game?
with you.
Not really.
Say a line and tell me which movie it is.
Which move? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna do an easy one on you, and I hope that you know this one because, like, then there's no hope for the other ones.
Wow.
Okay, sentient toys come to life and try to find their owner again. Who? The Pixar movies. Okay. Sentient toys look for their owner because they got
Toy
lost.
Story.
Wow, very proud of you. At least you
That's
got that
so
one.
great.
This rat can cook.
Ratatouille.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
Oh.
Sentient cars. Man has got to learn how to be humble.
How do you know this stuff? You're not looking at the computer.
I'm looking at
I was like, how do you know this stuff?
Wait, can I do it?
sentient
Cars?
cars.
Oh,
Cars.
That's what I said.
Yes.
Okay.
But you're part of the game, though. Why you guys just asking
No,
me?
I'm.
Supposed to be asking.
Yeah, you guys.
Oh.
I'm asking.
We're all.
Yes.
It's just
yes.
not Misty.
It's not just. Yeah. No. Stop. Get off the thingy. Go. Okay. These there's a dinosaur. It never actually got extinct, so it teams up with a baby.
Flintstones.
Good dinosaur. Good dinosaur.
Yes,
I
it's
don't
the
know
good
that.
dinosaur.
I
I don't know.
I
if you
never
watched
knew
that.
this title of it.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't like that movie actually.
Then where are you gonna put it in there?
A toy sheriff kind of gets
Toy
kidnapped.
Story.
Which one?
Two.
Thank you.
I said it first.
Yeah, Slater did.
That was my favorite movie.
Girl turns mom into a bear by accident. No, it's not
Brave.
Brother
Oh,
Bear.
I never.
Yeah, it's Brave.
Oh, I never. Did I ever watch
Yes,
that?
yes, we did. We watched it.
It's the one with the red hair.
Oh, I don't like her.
I don't remember that movie at all.
My favorite thing about that movie is like the wisps.
Wait, did I ever? Wait. When did I watch that?
We haven't watched it.
You
Yes, you
turned
have.
your mother into a bear.
Literal big scary creatures scare
Monster
children
Inc.
for
Monster
energy.
Inc.
Yeah, Slater got it.
Oh, I have Monster Inc. It should be a normal edition.
What did you
I
say?
like the new series. They ruined it.
I don't know. I didn't watch it.
You watched it?
What
What do you mean they ruined it?
Let's stop watching
How
it.
did they ruin
Stop
it?
watching it.
How?
Stop watching.
Shh. Go.
I'm looking for more. Bugs take over a hierarchy.
Bugs Life here.
Bugs Life?
Yeah, Bugs Life. A Buds.
Oh, Bug City. I said Bug City. I did Bug City.
Two brothers find out magic actually exists again.
Oh, I know
Yeah.
that. Oh, I love that.
Juniper's very good at this.
I know them all.
The high turtle.
Fighting me.
Yeah, thank you. High turtle.
With the sardines that go
Sardines. I'm looking for more Pixar movies, guys. There's not a lot. Monsters go to a university.
Monsters University.
I hate you guys.
I love you too.
Mom, how aren't you getting it? I gave you the title. Superhero
Luca.
mom becomes a new
Invincible 2.
Incredibles.
Incredible.
Invincible 2.
Technically, I get some credit. Who then carry out the
I get
story in the
some
second
credit.
one.
I get some credit.
Okay.
No, because she got
No.
mind controlled and then the kids had to rescue her.
Okay. Wait, no,
Invisible
the
Kids.
dad got rescued and got.
All of them got hypnotized. Both of them.
A towing truck becomes a secret spy.
Cars too.
Yeah!
Oh.
Slater, you got
Oh, I thought that was like Vader's Adventure or something like that.
Adventure. Stop. Sentient planes.
Planes.
You guys are fun. Toys get stuck in a.
Toy Story 3.
3. Okay.
4.
No, but
3 is 4 is so bad.
then Vader's Adventure, it's like
I like.
I don't remember that. Yes, you do. You were there. No, I wasn't. You was
I don't
there.
know what you're talking about, man.
What do you mean?
Ew.
Excuse me. What was that?
Okay, I still recording. The final note before you.
Yep. There's no more movies.
Luca.
That was it. No, I did Luca. That one was easy. Okay, sea monsters.
No, you should have said the other one.
Italians aren't real.
Synopsis: Italians don't exist.
Luca.
Ew. Okay. So, I'm sad that Mom doesn't remember any of these movies. Because when I make my things, will she remember them?
That's why I love pictures, I love videos. I always want to do those stuff so that I always have a point of reference to go back and say, oh yeah, this happened. And Facebook memories, whatever. I rely on those.
What happened to Friendster, Mom? What happened to Friendster, Mom? It's dead. It's gonna be like Facebook. Or it's Meta now, I guess.
I want Vine back. Bring it back.
Bring back Fine. Okay, guys. Now go rate your favorite popcorn and boil some tea. Good night.
Popcorn and tea. Right now.
Yeah, popcorn and tea, baby. It's to even out the sore throat.